Here in this lecture, we are going to discuss about a problem on impulse invariant method of designing digital filter transfer function h of z. Here apply impulse invariant method and find h of z for h of s is equal to s plus a by s plus a whole square plus b square it is. Assume t is equal to 1 second it is. Here this is the given problem. Actually, what are the steps to design the digital filter using impulse invariant method? But first step is in the first step we are determining the analog filter transfer function. Actually, analog filter transfer function already given. Here h of s is equal to what? S plus a by s plus a whole square plus b square. Second step is what? In the second step we are selecting the uh, sampling rate of the digital filter, that is also given. It is sampling rate of the digital filter is given, that is t is equal to 1 second it is. And this is the second step. In the third step we are expressing this h of s as a sum of single pole filters it is. Here that can be obtained by, here we are representing the denominator of h of s in terms of product of two factors it is. Here because it contains two roots, it is product of two factors which is of the form s minus s1 into s minus s2 it is. Okay, here that can be these roots can be obtained by equating the denominator to 0 it is. Here we are, here the roots of this equation is direct are not simple. We are determining roots of this equation by comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here for this case we are calculating the roots by using the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a it is. Here now we are determining roots of this equation. Here we are comparing it with this equation. Here a is equal to what? A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2a, c is equal to a square plus b square it is. Here we are determining the roots. S1, S2 is equal to what? Minus b, minus b. B value is what? 2a plus or minus square root of b square. B square means 2a square, 4a square minus 4ab. 4a, a is 1. B is a square plus b square it is, by whole by 2a. A value is 1. Here we are simplifying this equation. Minus 2a plus or minus square root of 4a square. We are multiplying this minus 4 with this term it is. Here minus 4a square minus 4b square it is. Here plus 4a square minus 4a square get cancel it is. Here minus 4b square. Here the root of minus 4b square is what? J2b, means root minus 1 value is j. Here 4b square root is what? 2b it is, by 2 it is. Here which we are separating the real part and the imaginary part by dividing it with 2 it is. Here minus 2a by 2 plus or minus j2b by 2 it is. Here which is equal to what? S1 S2 is equal to minus a plus or minus jb it is. Here one root, S1 root is what? S1 is equal to minus a plus jb. Another root S2 is equal to what? Minus a minus jb it is. Here we are representing this term s square plus 2as, denominator of h of s, can be expressed as what? Product of two factors it is. Here s square plus 2a square plus a square plus b square is equal to what? S. How to write it? One roots s minus s1 into s minus s2 form it is. Here s minus s1 is what? Minus a plus jb it is, into s minus s2. S2 is what? Minus a minus jb it is. Here I am taking this is the equation 2, this is the equation 1. We are substituting equation 2 in equation 1. Here the equation becomes h of s is equal to s plus a by s minus of minus a plus jb into s minus of minus a minus jb. I am taking this is the equation 3 it is. Here actually we are expressing h of s in terms of single pole filters it is. Here means that can be obtained by applying a partial fraction to this equation. Here the roots are what? Complex conjugative roots it is. The roots are complex conjugative roots. For complex conjugative roots, we are applying partial fraction to this h of s. Here that can be written as what? H of s is equal to a by 1 root s minus of minus a plus jb plus here conjugative of a. Another the constant value is what? Conjugative of this a. It is a conjugative by the another root is it is s minus a minus jb it is. Here now we are determining the a value and the a conjugative value. How to determine the a value? Here this a value is calculated by using a value is calculated as here a is equal to what? H. It is calculated as a is equal to h of s into denominator of a, that is s minus of minus a plus jb for the denominator to 0. Means s value is what? For that s value is what? S is equal to minus a plus jb it is. Here h of s is what? From equation 3. H of s is s plus a by s minus of minus a plus jb into s minus of minus a minus jb into s minus of minus a plus jb. For s is equal to minus a plus jb it is. This term get cancelled it is. Then substituting, after cancelling the terms, we are substituting s is equal to minus a plus jb in the remaining terms it is. Here we are substituting s value, that is minus a plus jb plus a by in the denominator. Here we are substituting minus a plus jb minus this minus is multiplied with these two terms. Here minus into minus plus a minus into minus plus jb it is. Here in the numerator denominator minus a plus a get cancelled it is. Here jb by 2 jb it is. jb by 2 jb here, which is equal to 1 by 2 it is. Here a value is the real value, it is the real value, rational value it is. A value is rational value. Here a value, here a, it is a real value. Here simply we are determining the a conjugative. Here conjugative of a is also real value it is equal to what? 1 by 2 it is. Here we are substituting a and a conjugative values in equation 3 it is. Here h of s becomes like this it is. Here 1 by 2 by s minus of minus a plus jb plus 1 by 2 a conjugative also 1 by 2 s minus of minus a minus jb it is. Here this is the pole p1, this is the pole p2 it is. Here means h of s can be expressed in terms of what? H of s of the form like this it is. H of s is equal, means we are expressing it in terms of a single pole filter it is, sum of single pole filters. Here we are expanding this one, means like this only. Okay, s minus p1, s minus p2 it is. Okay, s minus p1, s minus p2. Similarly, in the next step, this is the third step. In the fourth step, we are determining what? Digital filter transfer function it is by using this formula. It is h of z is equal to what? Summation k is equal to 1 to n ck by 1 minus pk into e power pk. We are comparing this equation. Ck is same it is. Here means we are expressing it in terms of single pole it is. Okay, h of z also can be expressed in terms of single pole it is. Okay, single pole filter. Here means a and a conjugative, it is a conjugative. Okay, by 1 minus e power pk into t it is. Here 1 minus e power pk and means p1 for first value. p1 value is what? Minus a plus jb it is into t is equal to what? 1 second it is into z power minus 1 plus 1 by 2 by 1 minus e power p2 value is what? Minus a minus jb into t value is what? 1 into z power minus 1. Okay, into z power minus 1. Next we are performing LCM. Here it is LCM. Here what is the LCM? 1 minus of e power minus a plus jb z power minus 1 into 1 minus e power minus a minus jb z power minus 1. Here this can be written as what? 1 minus e power minus a, here where e power a plus b form it is. E power a into e power b form. Which is equal to e power a into e power b. Here means e power minus a into e power jb z power minus 1. Here this can also, I am writing similar fashion it is. 1 minus e power minus a into e power minus jb z power minus 1. Here this in this where LCM is this one. Here this term is divided with this term. Here this term is get cancelled it is. Okay, remaining term is this one. This one is multiplied with what? 1. In the numerator I am taking 1 by 2 common it is. Here this term is multiplied with this 1 it is. Here 1 minus e power minus a e power minus jb z power minus 1 plus here we are dividing this term with this term it is. Here remaining term is what? This term it is. This term is multiplied with what? This one. Okay, 1. Here 1 into 1 1 minus into plus minus 1 into this term it is, means e power minus a e power jb z power minus 1 it is. Okay, here 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 by 2 is same. 1 plus 1 is 2. Here in these two terms common is what? E power minus a z power minus 1 it is. Here remaining term is what? Here e power minus jb. In this term is what? Plus. Here minus we are taking here. In these two terms minus e power minus a z power minus 1. Remaining term in this what? E power minus jb plus e power jb it is. Here divided by, we are multiplying this 1 with this total term, means 1 minus e power minus a e power minus jb z power minus 1. Okay, then we are multiplying this one with these two terms, means first of all we are multiplying this one with 1 it is. Here that is e power minus a e power jb z power minus 1 minus into minus plus. Here e power minus a into e power minus a. Here bases are same, we are adding the powers, means e power minus 2a into e power jb into e power minus jb. Here we are adding the powers, means e power jb minus e power jb, e power 0 it is. Similarly z power minus 1 into z power minus 1, z power minus 2 it is. Here this value is equal to what? This value is equal to 2 cos b. Here I am writing 2 cos b. Okay, here 1 by 2 of 2 minus e power minus a 2 cos b into z power minus 1 by, in the denominator also 1 minus, we are taking in this we are taking common in these two terms is what? Minus e power minus a into z power minus 1. The remaining term is what? E power minus jb plus e power jb plus here e power minus 2a into z power minus 2 it is. Z power minus 2. Here in these two terms common is what? 2. 1 by 2 into 2 of remaining term is what? 1 minus e power minus a cos b z power minus 1. We are taking common 2 it is. Here 1 minus e power minus a cos b z power minus 1 by 1 minus this one is equal to what? 2 cos b it is. Here 2 into e power minus a cos b z power minus 1 plus e power minus 2a z power minus 2 it is. Here h of z is equal to what? 2 get cancelled here it is. H of z is equal to 1 minus e power minus a cos b z power minus 1 by 1 minus 2 e power minus a cos b z power minus 1 plus e power minus 2a z power minus 2 it is. Here this is the transfer function of digital filter using impulse invariance method.